Namaste everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to present the topic History of Computers. As you know all, I am Jyoti Manor Budhare from Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering. My USN number is 23CS2021. The subject is Principles of Programming Language using C and the subject code is BPOS 103 and the topic is History of Computers. The highlights of my topic are Introduction to Computers, the first generation of computer, the second generation of computer, the third generation of computer, the fourth generation of computer, the fifth generation of computer, and the last one is the main features of first generation of computers. Now, introduction to computer. In the early 1820s, Charles Babbage created the difference engine. It was a mechanical computer that could do basic computations. It was a steam-powered calculating machine used to solve numerical tables such as logarithm tables. Charles Babbage created another calculating machine, the analytic engine, in 1830s that was computer. Now we will discuss the generations of computer. In that, the first computer generation. The main characteristics of first generation of computers 1940 to 1950s. Main electronic computer used as vacuum tube. Magnetic drums and magnetic tapes used as main memory. Programming language is machine language. Power consume a lot of electricity and generate a lot of heat. The first generation computers are very slow and very large in size, often taking up entire room. Input and output devices are punched cards and paper tape. Examples like ENIAC, Univaci, IBM 650, IBM 701, etc. Quantity, there were about 100 different vacuum tube computers produced between 1942 and 1963. Now the second computer generation. In that the main characteristics of second generation of computers 1950s to 1960s. The main electronic component used as transistor in second generation of computer. Magnetic core and magnetic tape or magnetic disk used as memory. Programming language is assembly language. In case of power and size, low power consumption and generated less heat and smaller in size in comparison with the first generation of computers. Speed, improvement of speed and reliability in comparison with the first generation of computers. Input and output devices used as punched cards and magnetic tape. Examples like IBM 4001, IBM 7090 and 7094, UNIVAC 1107, etc. Now, the third generation of computer. In that, the main characteristics of third generation of computers 1960s to 1970. Integrated circuits used as main electronic component in third generation of computer. Large magnetic core and magnetic tape or magnetic disk used as memory. Programming languages high level language, for example Fortran, Basic, Pascal, COBOL and C, etc. Talking about size, it is smaller, cheaper and more efficient than second generation of computers. They were called mini computers. Talking about speed, improvement of speed and reliability in comparison with the second generation of computers. Input and output devices such as magnetic tape, keyboard, monitor, printer, etc. Examples are like IBM 360, IBM 370, PDP-11, UNIVAC 1108, etc. It's the fourth generation of computer. In that the characteristics of fourth generation of computers are following. The main electronic component used as very large scale integration, it is called VLSI and microprocessor. VLSI thousands of transistors on a single microchips, it is called very large integration VLSI. Memory used as semiconductor memory such as RAM or ROM, etc. RAM, random access memory, a type of data storage or memory element used in computers that stores temporary programs and data. It is volatile, its components are lost when the computer is turned off. ROM, read-only memory, a type of data storage used in computers that permanently stores the data and programs. It is non-volatile, its contents are retained even when the computer is turned off. Programming language used as high-level language. For example, Python, C, Java, JavaScript, Rust, Kotlin, etc. A mix of both third and fourth generation language. Talking about size, it is smaller, cheaper and more efficient than third generation of computers. Talking about speed, its improvement of speed, accuracy and reliability in comparison with the third generation of computers. Examples such as IBM PC, Star 1000, Apple I-2, Apple, Macintosh, etc. Input and output devices used as such as keyboards, pointing devices, optical scanning, monitor, printer. The main application used in this is network, a group of two or more computer systems linked together. It is called network. Next one is the fifth generation of computers. In that the main characteristics of fifth generation of computer from the present to the future. Main electronic component based on artificial intelligence uses the ultra large scale integration called ULSI technology and parallel processing method. ULSI means millions of transistors on the single microchip is called as ultra large scale integration. Parallel processing method use two or more microprocessors to run tasks simultaneously. The language used by fifth generation of computer was understand natural language mean human language. Power consume less power and generate less heat. Talking about speed, its remarkable improvement of speed, accuracy and reliability in comparison with the fourth generation of computers. Its size portable and small in size and have a huge storage capacity. Input and output devices such as keyboard, monitor, mouse, trackpad or touchpad, touch screen, pen, light scanner and printer. Examples are desktops, laptops, tablets, smartphones, etc. Examples of fifth generation of computers in that first one is laptop, second is personal computers, third is ultrabook, fourth is notebooks and the last one is smartwatches. These are the examples of fifth generation of computers. Our last topic is main features of fifth generation of computer. The fifth generation of computers having main features that are following. Use of artificial intelligence, parallel processing, natural language processing, quantum computing, connectivity, robotics, ultra large scale integration circuit, consumable, very large power, more portable and powerful, extremely fast, fastest RAM, very small and very cheaper. In this way today we have completed our topic. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.